Welcome to Exam Sale, your ultimate guide to acing the test prep exam. In this video, we'll be discussing the syllabus for the science section of the exam, which is divided into 3 domains: life science, physical science, and earth and space science. The science section accounts for a significant portion of the test, with life science and physical science making up 40% each, and earth and space science making up 20%. Life science focuses on the examination of human body systems, cell structures, heredity, evolution, and ecosystem dynamics. Physical science covers the principles of chemistry and physics, including energy, motion, and the structure of matter. Earth and space science explores the study of Earth's internal systems, atmospheric patterns, and celestial bodies. Let's start with life science. This domain is further divided into 5 topics: cell structures and processes, molecular basis of heredity, evolution and natural selection, human body systems, and ecosystems and energy flow. You'll learn about the functions of cell organelles, the principles of natural selection, and the importance of homeostasis in the human body. You'll also study the structure and function of DNA and RNA, the process of protein synthesis, and the role of genetic mutations in inheritance. Moving on to physical science, you'll cover 4 key topics: conservation and transformation of energy, work, motion, and forces, chemical properties and reactions, and atomic structure and matter. You'll delve into the world of energy, motion, and chemistry, learning about kinetic and potential energy, Newton's laws of motion, and the law of conservation of mass. You'll also explore the properties of acids and bases, and the structure of atoms and molecules. Lastly, let's look at earth and space science. This domain is divided into 4 topics: Earth systems and interactions, atmosphere and weather, Earth's place in the universe, and plate tectonics and geological processes. You'll discover the intricacies of Earth's internal systems, including the water cycle and rock cycle, and learn about the impact of human activity on the environment. You'll also study the layers of the atmosphere, the structure of the solar system, and the mechanisms of plate tectonics. With 22 hours of estimated learning time, life science is a significant portion of the science section. You'll need to set aside dedicated time to understand the concepts and principles covered in this domain. Physical science requires 25 hours of study, and with its focus on chemistry and physics, it's essential to make sure you grasp the fundamentals. Earth and space science, with 12 hours of learning time, is equally important, as it covers a broad range of topics that require attention to detail.